Hi guys, this is Mariam. So we're making chicken and vegetable fried rice for our 6x16 project. So what's 6x16? 6x16 is a program that teaches teens how to cook 6 healthy meals by the time they're 16. It's important because cooking helps us eat better, save money, and be more independent. It's a life skill that every teen should have, and today we're showing you one of the 6 recipes we think everyone should know.
These are the ingredients and the utensils we're using for our recipe, and they will begin to cook the rest.
So now we're gonna wash our hands, clean our surfaces, and clip our hairs and everything for safety measures.
Money, spending, rich with you, love me. If I was a broke nigga, very fancy, talking about you, I've been spending. It's just a lot of feelings going on. I left my girl cause you got me going crazy for you. Why you wanna stop now? Don't put me on the run around. Don't put me on the run around. No friends on you. Need more party. I'm up when let me need more party. Show me the ice in my rocket. Show frosty. I need more party. I'm up when let me need more party. Show me the ice in my rocket. Show frosty.
So now we're going to
You know I just did that to make you smile. If you wanna lick up, we can get a room. And if you wanna lick up, we can go home soon.
we're gonna section our vegetables. Yeah.
Don't you go down to me, baby girl, we have to keep you watching, yeah. Make her freaking and she rip my up, bro.
We're gonna wash our vegetables.
So we get you butter and shit. There's a lot of feelings going on. I left my girl cause you got me going crazy for you. Why you wanna stop now? Don't put me on the run around. Don't put me on the run around. Show me the ice in my rocket. Show frosty.
So now we're gonna chop our chicken just like this to small dices.
Drop 20 on the lap cause I'm on. I feel the love when I'm riding through the city, but I see him looking at me, pretty boy, that stone hit me from the side. Yeah, but that just never died. Yeah, go beat in my lungs. You know where I'm at. Straight for the slums, and I can't go back. No, I won't go back. No, I keep on roll. I'm a dead homie. bamba. Okay, now feeling that like it's a lie. You know it's another lie. Freaky when I socialize like this. Super but I feel that wife. She missed the bad times and they wanna be the right like this. Okay, now somebody slurs. And I figure out that all my reflex. Super missing that shit cause like it murders. And I ring her with my almighty love. Think I'm like the nurse to me. Me kill a bomba, bomba star. Me kill a with the biggie bomba, bomba star. Me kill a one split around one drink. So me not like the bunch of bubbles, not closer.
We kill 'em with the rapid fire. Kill 'em with the rapid fire. With the rapid fire. So we kill 'em with the rapid fire. Kill 'em with the rapid fire. Yeah.
Diamonds and rules like I'm daughter to Jacob, the true love. Spending ace of the space on my wrist, that's the rolling of you love. I am spending on this moolah. Fly mamacita with the chocha, put that on my puta. No, I said on any list. This life will never change. My old desire.
Now we're gonna scramble the eggs. Yeah.
What's up on the time? When I just to try, when I just to try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. I can't put it do my plans. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I don't get the name, I don't sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. I feel like military, match up my head. Vigilant, give me load, I feel on your face. Cemetery, people wait on die, people cemetery. Life is not easy, I know it's not easy, just to listen to me.
This is a 20-minute recipe and it's really easy to make as you've seen. And we put like healthy ingredients like chicken and eggs for protein and vegetables. Yeah.
We're all gonna taste it. And it actually tastes good. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
You know be run from
Used to cook.